Hello and welcome. Thank you for viewing the SONA System tutorial intended for instructors. This tutorial will teach instructors, first, how to set up and maintain a course in the SONA system. Second, communicating SONA system information to students in your course. Third, how to download the research credit reports from the SONA system. To set up courses in the SONA system, email the SONA administrator at sonasfsu@gmail.com with an email containing your full name, SFSU ID, email address, and any information about the classes you would like to put up on SONA. Include the course name and number, for example, Sci 690, as well as the maximum number of credits students may earn in the course. Please provide students with a brief explanation of SONA in the course syllabus, similar to the sample being shown on screen. You will also need to provide students with a physical copy of the SONA Student FAQ and inform them about any alternatives they can complete in place of SONA credits. Students who are new to the SONA system will benefit from watching the Student SONA instructional videos. To see how many credits students in your course have earned, click Course Reports from the menu bar at the top of the main screen. Locate the course you are pulling the report for and click All Participants, Students. The following screen lists all students who have indicated they are enrolled in that course. If you do not see the specific student that you are looking for, then that student has not logged in or has not added your course to their profile. The column Credits Earned for Course indicates how many SONA credits the student has allocated to your course. Note that students may be enrolled in multiple courses, so their overall credits earned may be higher than their credits earned for course that you will use. If a student's credit completion report is inconsistent with what they say they participated in, please inform them that we ask researchers to reward credit for in-person studies within 48 hours and to reward credit for online studies within 1 week. If it has been longer than this, a student should email the researcher to request the credit be awarded. Contact info is listed as the researcher on the SONA study listing. If the researcher does not respond, the student should then email the SONA administrator at sonasfsu@gmail.com. To view a list of students who have completed the required number of SONA credits for your class, navigate to the Course Reports page and click on the section option Completed Participants. The following page will generate a list of students. This report can be downloaded in CSV format or printed from your browser. This concludes the training on instructor accounts in the SONA system. For any questions not answered by this video, please check our FAQ sheet first, posted on the department website. If you still have questions after reviewing the FAQ sheet, you can contact the SONA administrator at sfsusona@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.